Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2019 Challenger SXT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include tires, 235/55 R18 AS Performance, STD, Destroyer-grade clear coat, wheels, 18-inch x 7.5 inches cast aluminum, STD, black houndstooth cloth sport seats, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850 RE, make, STD, quick order package 21 ASXT rear-wheel drive included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850 RE, make, engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVVT, STD, rear-wheel drive and power steering. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the